I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. Well, here I am today, just outside of Chester really, Deeside. I'm at the world famous Witter towbars, the home of towbar manufacturer, the pioneers of towbar manufacture. Back in 1950, Colin Witter, who was based at Chester with his engineering company, decided it was time that towbars should be made to actually come off the peg. Up until then, you had to go to a local car engineer, a garage, or even a blacksmith to have a towbar fitted to your car. Now, of course, things have changed since then, but it was only because of Colin's force, his vision, to see that off the peg towbars would make life easier for the consumer and also easier for the car manufacturers. So Colin set up his business down by Canal Side, and from there they started producing the first off the peg towbars. Many years later they were producing thousands upon thousands, until now, here in 2019-2020, they're one of the biggest manufacturers of towbars. They supply many people every year with towbars, including myself. Things have changed since my dad had a towbar fitted on his first car that we used for towing, which was a Cortina 1600E Mark II. I can remember it now as quite a big bar on the back underneath the bumper. It was very easy to spot, and I remember Dad having to paint it. But things have changed since then, of course. And of course, wiring was very easy. But now, of course, it is a lot more complex, because cars are more complex with all the electronics, etc. So you've really got to know what you're doing. Steve, who's now in there, which I'm going to watch, put a towbar on Skoda Karoq, is a very highly skilled technician. He's been doing it for many years, so he knows what he's doing, he knows what he's talking about. So I'm going to watch him in various stages fit the towbar and just show you how actually involved this actually is. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to take you to the workshop. Well, that's how a tow bar is fitted, and Witter, of course, the professionals, have been around for many years. I hope you've enjoyed the video and realise that fitting a tow bar in this day and age is no simple task. Don't try this at home, as they say. My thanks go to Witter for helping out this video and photographs, and to Steve the fitter, who was a very patient guy. Please subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.